Hey clarinets, we'll be working on page 8, exercises 19 through 22. We're learning 2 new notes. That's crazy. 2 new notes today. Number 19, we're going to learn the note F and use it. To play the note F, all you need to do is cover the back hole with your thumb, right? So E, you do this. You cover the back hole and you use your first finger. For F, you just let go of your first finger and keep the back covered. It'll sound like this. It's just a little bit higher than E. Remember, whenever you let go with a finger, the note goes up. So it makes sense that if you let go with your first finger and you just have your thumb in the back, it'll just be a little bit higher than E. So again, F sounds like this. You can compare it to E by adding your first finger. Here's F, just the thumb. All right, number 19, Easy Street, uses this note, F. We have half notes for 2 beats, quarter notes for 1 beat, half rests for 2 beats, and quarter rests for 1 beat. There's also breath marks, which are those apostrophes above the line. You want to take a big breath whenever you see those, okay? Here's number 19, Easy Street. It starts on the note F with your thumb. 1, 2, ready? All right, on to number 20, Country Walk. This is one of my favorites. We're using our new note again, F. Just the thumb. Can't grab onto it. Just the thumb for F. And number 20. No rests in this one. Just a lot of quarter notes, half notes, and a whole note at the end. You'll notice that there's a breath mark at the end of every 2 measures. This means every time you play 2 measures, you got to take a big breath, okay? Here's number 20, Country Walk. Starts on F, our new note. 1, 2, ready? All right, on to number 21, Getting It Together. Guess what? We have another new note. And you guessed it, to make this new note that's higher, called G, you just gotta let go with another finger. We were down to our thumb, then we let go with our thumb. G, you don't push any fingers down, which means you gotta totally hold up the instrument with your right hand on this thumb rest, which you should be doing all the time, but now this is the test. Are you really holding up your instrument with your thumb? Right? Here's what G sounds like. There's G. Let's compare it to F, our other new note, with thumb. Then up to G, our new note, no fingers. All right. So here's number 21. We're using both our new notes, G and F, and we're using all the other notes we know as well. All right, this one has half notes, whole notes, quarter notes, half rest, quarter rest. It's got every rhythm you could ever want, right? Watch the last measure. We have a quarter rest on beat 1 and then 2 more notes after it. You're gonna find that rhythm's kind of tricky, so watch out for it. Here's number 21. 1, 2, ready? All right, and finally, we have exercise 22 for clarinets only. This one has you going back and forth between two notes a few times. So for instance, the first two measures has you going back and forth between C and D. So you're just kind of lifting and placing back down the same finger for these, okay? Here we go, number 22. 1, 2, ready? All right, so that's page 8, exercises 19 through 22. See you later.